Morning everyone, how are you? It's Monday, it's a little chilly, day after the Super Bowl. I, for one, didn't watch it. So I was running out of supplies for my headlight restoration. So I decided to try this kit from Amazon. And it may have been cheaper from eBay, I'm not sure. But what I really needed was some new pads, new sandpaper, just everything I had is so beat. So we have, wow, we have 10,000 grit. How about that? 1,000, 5,000, 2,000. Interesting. So, very cool. You got some Scotch-Brite pads bonded to that. Buffing and cleaning pads. I also needed a new wheel. A lot of my stuff here is worn out and abused, and it was getting to the point to where I felt the quality of my headlight restorations was diminishing. So this is the drawer that I have for everything that I do for headlight restorations. And you can see that this pad here is just about worn out. Everything in here is just about worn out. This thing keeps loosening up. So I wonder if I should just try and tighten that. Well, anyway, I have a new one. Let's see. This was separating here. I probably could have just re-glued it. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll just try and rebond this. So a lot of this stuff has just been worn out. Buffing pad. So I think I am going to try and re-glue that. I'm going to try some rubber cement on that and see how that holds. Almost looks like they used, I'm not sure what they used. So yeah, this kit has had a lot of use to it. But this came from Amazon. I don't remember what it cost. You can look it up. And I like the corded drill for many reasons, because you never run out of power. I also have the snap-on cordless drill, which sometimes is a pain in the ass because you're just wearing out your motor and your batteries. Hey, what's that? And we don't do a lot of headlight restorations. I definitely do recommend, if they're not in bad shape, to just restore them. If they're in bad shape, just go ahead and replace them. Not everybody has the money for that. I'm going to go with the right stuff. I use the right stuff for everything. So I am going to bond this back together. Let's see if I can't get some more use out of it, to be honest with you. I love the right stuff. Who else loves the right stuff out there? The right stuff never does me wrong. Anytime I use anything else, you are definitely in for it. So a liberal amount of adhesive there, and then I will just take it and store it like this, and I'm going to put some electrical tape over top of it and let that cure. I love the right stuff. All right, let me finish opening up the shop. Thanks for watching, everybody. Let's keep it going.